Hey guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to hide your profile from search engine. So if you want to hide your Pinterest profile from search engine, you can do it by using this feature of Pinterest. First you need to open your Pinterest account and click on the three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now you need to select the setting option. Under setting option there are lots of options will be given, but you need to go on privacy and data. Under privacy and data you will see that there is an option called search privacy. So under search privacy, hide your profile from search engine. Toggle on this feature. Now your Pinterest will hide your profile on indexing on search engine, or it will not show your profile name, but if you enter your pins it will index on your Google search. So this is the way to hide your profile on Pinterest. I hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to hide your profile from search engine. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.